Hello. In this video we're going to demonstrate processing a credit card using an online payment gateway. For this demonstration we're going to be using eWay, a payment gateway based in Australia. Now here I have my FileMaker database with my customer details over here, Mr. John Citizen, and over here I have my credit card details. Now you normally wouldn't want to store the card number particularly in the FileMaker database, as that would put you in scope for what's called PCI DSS compliance. It also puts you at risk of potential security and data breaches. So the best way to prevent any security or data breaches is simply not to store the card number in the database at all. So the way around this is to use what's called a token. You request a token from the credit card gateway and you store that token in your database, and it's just essentially a reference to the credit card details which the payment gateway stores on file in an encrypted format. So let's see how this works. So I've got my credit card details here. I'm going to click Create Customer Token, and what that's going to do is do a number of things, and you can see it happens really quickly. It's going to first encrypt those credit card details, because eWay doesn't allow you to send them unencrypted, and just for display purposes I've got the encrypted version of the card number here and the encrypted version of the CVN number. And you can see it's returned a token, a unique number referencing those card details that's now stored on file with eWay. And you can see I no longer need to store the credit card number in my database, but I'm actually storing a masked version of that number now. So if this customer, John Citizen, calls up and wants to know what credit card we have on file, I can say, oh, it's the one ending in 11111. Now that we've created our token successfully, I can now process a transaction. So down here I can choose my transaction type. We'll do mail order, telephone order in this case, put in our description and our invoice transaction numbers and our total amount, and we'll click the process token transaction. So you can see that happens also almost immediately. It's requested a charge for that token stored with eWay for $400. eWay have come back and said yes, that was successful. They've returned a number of response codes and transaction reference numbers, and based on the response code of 00, I know that that transaction was successfully processed. I can follow it up with eWay using all these reference numbers and authorization codes, and there you go. That's how easy it is to process a credit card securely with a token, all from within FileMaker Pro. If you have any questions, please contact us via our website at databuzz.com.au.